Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Aula F99 Pro Keyboard, and the brand did send me a free one so I can check it out and create this video. So I wanted to show you some of the features of this really cool and unique keyboard. Now the first thing you're going to notice is it is made out of a premium high quality keycaps that are gasket mounted. So that's going to give you a very cool and responsive feel to it, really easy to type. Now the best thing about this keyboard though is the backlit keycaps. Now of course, that means you can work in the dark, but they also set a very nice ambient mood. So I'm gonna cut off the lights and demonstrate some of these variations that you can choose from. Now you're gonna press over here, the function button along with this one. Here we go. Let's check out some of these variations of the patterns you can choose from as you're working away. This is gonna set the mood for your workday or when you're gaming. You're going to be able to choose from a lot of unique different patterns. Just adds a very lively nature to everything. Now the other nice thing about this keyboard is right up here. It's got this multi-function control knob. Now to connect it, it's very simple. You got 3 different ways to do it. Now the first way is going to be Bluetooth, which is over here. If you want to simply plug it in, you're just going to go into the middle one here wired, and it does come with an included USB-C, which is going to plug in here and then into the USB of your computer. The third way to plug it in is to take out this USB here, plug it into your computer, slide this thing over here to the right to 2.4 gigahertz, and you're all set to go. It does also have a long-lasting battery, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a cool and unique keyboard for their home or office.